It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Wednesday, the 30th of December. I'm Michael Groff. Dry conditions and temperatures near to slightly below average for quite a while around here. We'll see periods of clouds coming through, but conditions could start to turn a little bit more unsettled as we get to the middle and latter part of next week, along with the potential of cooler temperatures. So we'll talk about it. First, yesterday, 61 degrees the afternoon high, 44 was the morning low. The normal high, 65, the normal low, 44. And as we look outside right now here just after 6 a.m., we've got mostly clear sky out there sitting at 45 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 25, relative humidity 45%. The winds are calm and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, 35, the cool spot on this map at South Mountain. We've got 37 at Tolleson, Tempe, and Mesa Gateway. Otherwise, upper 30s to middle 40s through most of the metro. The upper air look, that trough that brought in the cooler temperatures yesterday, is now moving east-southeast across northern Mexico. That'll swing into the southern plains and create quite a mess over the next couple of days. We'll see a little follow-up wave come through here later tomorrow. That should bring some clouds and reinforce the cool temperatures. Here's the watch warning map. Check it out. We've got winter weather advisories across much of the Great Lakes and central New York. Winter storm watches up for portions of the central plains, flash flood watches near the Arklatex with that big storm system, and of course more unsettled weather over the Pacific Northwest. The convective outlook for today, a marginal risk of severe storms from around Corpus Christi over toward Austin and Houston. And the precipitation outlook, this is valid through next Wednesday morning from the WPC. Not much to be found across the state, except up there across far northern Arizona. Maybe a few light rain and snow showers there. But otherwise, things look to stay quiet. But just beyond this period, we could start to see weather conditions turning a little bit more interesting. And we'll talk about that now as we dive into modeling. Here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Deep trough over northern Mexico, just to our southeast. A north to northwesterly flow aloft here today. So down at the surface, sunny sky and a pleasant day with highs mostly in the low to mid 60s, so pretty close to where we ought to be for this time of year. Tonight, the skies are mostly clear. Overnight lows should drop into the 30s for most of us. In fact, maybe the coldest valley locations get 2 or maybe a degree below freezing tonight. So if you have the frost-sensitive plants, might want to go ahead and cover those up if you're in our cooler pockets. And then tomorrow, some increase in clouds as another follow-up wave comes through. Temperatures should drop a few degrees as well. We'll be in the upper 50s to near 60, but no precipitation with that feature for us. And then here is New Year's Day, and we'll start out 2021 on a rather pleasant note. High temperatures, low 60s, the sky mostly sunny. And then here comes the weekend. We'll see periods of high clouds, but otherwise, high temperatures, low 60s on Saturday, low to mid 60s on Sunday. On Monday, another system passes by, mainly to the north of us, although there could be widely scattered showers, rain and snow across far northern Arizona, but that's about it with that feature. Again, just partly sunny here, low to mid 60s. Here's Tuesday, partly sunny sky, low to mid 60s. And then a week from today, this is Wednesday, the 6th of January, here comes another trough onto the west coast. And these systems are moving just a little bit further to the north than you'd like to see them if you want a really good chance at some rain in here. Nevertheless, some moisture would pick up across the state, widely scattered showers perhaps coming into the western portion of Arizona at that point. This is Thursday morning, the 7th of January off the GFS. It shows this latest trough going negative tilt as it comes into the region. So scattered rain and snow showers over northern Arizona and isolated to perhaps widely scattered showers possible here in the southern portion of the state. Much cooler temperatures would come in with this feature as well. But at this point, we're still way out here beyond a week. So it's a little bit too early to get into specifics on rain chances, but something to watch. And then here we go out 10 days. This is Friday, the 8th of January, a deep trough now over the western states, the axis of which heading into Arizona. And even though this system is a little bit further to the north and probably not looking at very deep moisture advection, this is a cold system. And so that's the message we're taking away from the models, is that the middle and latter part of next week could turn sharply colder here. High temperatures, perhaps 10 degrees below average or more if this verifies. And along with that, there is at least a chance we could see some rain and mountain snow across Arizona. All right, let's take a look at rainfall off of the European Ensemble for the next couple of weeks here in Phoenix. And yes, after the New Year, as we get toward the middle part of next week, many of the members do start to introduce at least some light precipitation in here. The Ensemble mean is only around 1/4 of an inch, with the control member up there over 4/10 of an inch. So maybe not significant rain, but when it's been as dry as it has been for this year, we will take whatever we can get, and hopefully 2021 is looking much better for us, and we can start to erase that drought. All right, let's check out temperatures off the national blend of models. Highs mostly in the 60s, overnight lows in the 40s, and the cooler pockets getting down in the 30s. And maybe out there toward the middle and latter part of next week, we cool off a bit more significantly. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves an amazing Wednesday.